Welcome back, dear students. Dear students, in this video session, I will cover the seventh unit, waves. Here in this unit, I am going to discuss the topic characteristics of wave motion. Here, nature manifests itself in the form of matter and radiation. Therefore, the concept of matter or particle and radiation, nothing but waves, are very basic and fundamental in physics. It is very essential to transport energy from one place to another. There are two ways of transporting energy. In the first method, energy is transported by kinetic energy of matter in motion. For example, a bullet fired from a gun carries kinetic energy and transfers it to the target. In the second method, energy is transported from one point to another by a wave without the actual movement of the particles of the medium. Hence, wave motion is very basic and fundamental concept in physics. It is by means of waves that we receive radiation from the sun. Let us see the wave motion in detail. A wave is a disturbance in a medium that carries energy without a net movement of particles. A wave can transfer energy. A wave usually involves a periodic, repetitive movement. A wave does not result in a net movement of the medium or particles in the medium. For example, mechanical waves. A wave is a sort of disturbance set up in the medium due to the repeated periodic motion of the particles of the medium. About their mean position. Thus, a progressive wave is a self-sustaining distribution of a medium which carries both transporting energy and momentum. The propagation of disturbance from one region of space to another region of space in a given medium is called wave motion. Generally, a wave is generated by a particle or a body executing periodic vibrations. A vibrating particle communicates its motion to the particles of the elastic medium surrounding it, which thereby vibrate periodically and communicate their motion in turn their immediate neighboring particle, and so on. A vibrating particle acquires kinetic energy from the particle situated towards the incoming wave and transfer it to the particle next to it in the forward direction. Therefore, wave motion is basically the transmission of energy from one point of transmission of energy from one place to another. A wave is defined as the energy agency which is responsible for the transmission of energy from one place to another through a medium without the actual translation of the medium in the direction of the energy flow. Wave motion refers to the transfer of energy from one point to the point of the medium. The transfer of different forms of energy like sound, heat, light, electromagnetic during the wave motion. For the transfer of energy through the medium must possesses the properties of elasticity, inertia, and negligible frictional resistances. That is about the wave motion. Now we can understand the characteristics of wave motion. For the propagation of wave through a medium, the medium must be elastic and the damping should not be large. Here we shall discuss about the general characteristics of wave motion. They are: a wave travels forward while the particles of the medium vibrate about their mean positions. A wave travels forward while the particles of the medium vibrate about their mean positions like this. Mean positions. It is the disturbance produced in the medium by the periodic motion of the particles of the medium that travels as a wave. It is the disturbance produced in the medium by the periodic motion of the particles of the medium that travels as a wave. A wave transfers energy in a medium from one point to another. A wave transfers energy in a medium from one point to another by vibrating about their mean positions. They transport the energy. Next characteristic is the velocity of the wave is different from the velocity with which the particles of the medium vibrate about their mean position. The velocity of the wave is different from the velocity with which the particles of the medium vibrate about their mean position. The wave velocity is uniform, whereas the velocity of particles is different at different positions. The particles will have maximum velocity at the mean position and 0 at the extreme positions. Let's suppose this is a particle. These are the particles. When they undergoes vibrations like this, while they transport the energy or carries the energy from one end to another end, here the particles will have maximum velocity at the mean position. This is mean position. Let's do it undergoes vibrations like this. Mean position, extreme, mean and extreme. Here at the extreme positions, the velocity will be 0. At the mean position, velocity will be maximum. At the extreme position, the velocity of the particle will be, the potential energy of the particle will be maximum, kinetic energy will be 0. There is a constant phase difference between the particles of the medium. There is always constant phase difference between the different particles of the medium. Each particle of the medium vibrate with the same amplitude. Each particle of the medium, given medium, vibrate with the same amplitude. This is about the characteristics of wave motion. I repeat, the wave motion. What do you mean by wave motion? Usually, wave is a sort of disturbance set up in the medium due to the repeated periodic motion of the particle of the medium about their mean position. Thus, a progressive wave is a self-sustaining disturbance of a medium, carries both transporting energy and momentum. The propagation of disturbance from one point to another point of a space in a given medium is called wave motion. That's all. Thank you.